Hey everybody, today I am working on my Mercury Mountaineer. And one of the problems this thing has had is the sunroof has been leaking forever. And sometimes it would leak and sometimes it wouldn't. So we finally decided it was leaking really bad. So we finally decided to get and pull the headliner down. As you see, we have just pulled these pieces down loose here and here. And we've shoved a block of wood up and here to get the headliner down. And let me show you what happened on this one. Okay, well, here is the rear drain. I will call this gray plastic piece the gutter. Well, first thing is this hose was off. Don't know how it fell off, because after I pushed this hose back on, it did not want to come back off. So I went ahead and put a yellow wire tie on it to make sure it wouldn't fall off. So that was basically why it was leaking, was because this hose, the drain hose that runs down the C-pillar here, was off. So I said, you know something, I'm not that lucky. So I went ahead and I put this back on, and I had G Junior pour some water up in the sunroof, and where this, I'm going to call the plastic gutter here, it is got glue where it meets this metal piece of the sunroof that catches the water. Well, the rubber, silicone, or whatever they use in it has dried out, and it was dripping here. So this is air conditioning putty or duct putty that they use, and I have put that up around it. And then we left the headliner down, and I got some disinfectant spray and have been spraying it, trying to keep the mold at bay. But this is finally dried out. That's why I left it like this. And we're gonna put it back together here today. But we had it outside last week, and it rained and rained and rained, and this whole area stayed nice and dry. So there you go. On this one here, the rear drain hose was off, and that little plastic gutter was leaking around where it meets the metal. So we just used some air conditioning putty. I could have probably used silicone, but I think the air conditioning putty will be good for now. And I've looked on the other side. You can't really see, the other side has no stains, but if you look here, there's a stain here and a stain here, where this side has definitely been leaking. All right, everybody, just a quick one. Just want to show you that you can pull this down without taking the whole headliner out, to get your hand in here to look at the drains to see what's wrong. All right, everybody, I'm gonna leave it at that. Thanks a lot for watching. Please subscribe. You can always do that in that corner. And don't forget to give me a thumbs up if you like my automotive videos.